This is a rich, fudgy brownie layered with real cheesecake, and the texture actually delivers. A lot of keto brownie cheesecake recipes look great, but the texture can fall a little short. Sometimes a bit grainy on the brownie side or a little too soft or spongy on the cheesecake layer. So for this version, I'm making a few small adjustments to bring the texture and the overall experience closer to what you'd expect. I'm starting with the brownie layer, melting butter and unsweetened chocolate until smooth. This gives the brownie a rich base. Then I'm mixing in the sweetener, cocoa, milk powder, and a little cream. Those small additions help create a softer, more cohesive texture, so it bakes up fudgy instead of grainy. Next go in the eggs, vanilla, and almond flour, and I mix until I get a thick, glossy batter. Spread the brownie batter into a pan lined with parchment paper and set it aside. For the cheesecake layer, mix the softened cream cheese until smooth. Then add the sweetener, eggs, sour cream, vanilla, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. This gives it a more smoother, more classic cheesecake texture and keeps the flavor balanced. Gently pour the cheesecake batter right over the brownie layer. You can leave it clean or add sugar-free chocolate chips. And just a quick note, you can absolutely make this with your sweetener of choice or regular sugar if that's what you prefer. I use allulose because it works really well in most of my recipes and keeps things lower in sugar, but the goal is always the same: great flavor and great texture. These bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit until the edges are set and the center still has a slight jiggle. For me, this was around 40 minutes. You'll want to cool completely and chill until fully set. That's what gives you the clean slice and proper cheesecake texture. And this is where it really comes together. You get that dense brownie base with a smooth, creamy cheesecake layer, and it all holds together the way it should. We really value low carb and lower sugar eating. It's made a big difference on our health. This kind of flexibility lets us enjoy the lifestyle that we want without feeling restricted. You can find the full recipe in the description below. If you enjoyed this recipe, consider subscribing. We share recipes like this every week: simple ingredients, flexible approach, a smarter way to enjoy what you already love.